Everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a video discussing 5 makeup brands that I would love to try. I'm not saying I'm going to buy these things this year or try the brands this year. This is just 5 brands that I just keep in the back of my head that I would like to try if they have something I really want and I'm in the market to buy. Then I might purchase from these brands, but I'm not going to run right out and just buy something from all 3 of these brands. I'm not going to do that. So let's just get started. I will scoot here. I'll put pictures here because, like I said, I don't own any of these brands. So I'll put some pictures up here, and we'll just go over each brand. Maybe I'll pull them up on my phone and look at them as we go. All right, let's see, the first brand is Sigma Beauty. Now, I don't know how I have not had anything Sigma. I really don't. I don't know how I've done that, but they have some beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I know I've seen some of you who have YouTube channels have some of these palettes. I think Aiden at English Prof Style has the Corderosa palette, if I'm not mistaken. I think she has that one. And I have looked at it for years, and I have yet to purchase anything from Sigma. And I really don't know why. But they do have some beautiful palettes. I'm looking at, there's a Disney Alice in Wonderland palette that is just so pretty. It is really, really pretty. And there's a little video of it. My hand's shaking. I mean, yeah, I would love to own that. So that is the first brand that is on my radar for this year or just for whenever. I'm not saying I want to purchase anything from these brands in this year, but I will kind of keep giving them a second glance. The next one is Cleona. Let me look. Yeah, Cleona Cosmetics. And I found out about this brand through Angelica Nyquist. She loves the Cleona eyeshadows. Now, they're mainly, I believe, let me look. They have one palette, but they're mainly singles, and they are just, everything is sold out that I'm looking at. But they are just gorgeous. I'll pull this bundle up. That's a bundle of multi-chromes. I'll put pictures over here too. They are just stunning. And that whole bundle is $333.69. Couldn't do that. But maybe I might buy a couple. 3 was $30.33. But yeah, they're just gorgeous. They're just gorgeous. And I really would love to try it, you know, a few of them. And because I love multi-chrome eyeshadows. I really do. I love multi-chrome. So, Cleona. Cleona is based out of Canada. Just in case you wanted to know. They do ship to the U.S., but they're based out of Canada. Next is Give Me Glow. Let me pull them up. They have some palettes I'm interested in. That's right. I'm not going to buy these palettes right now, but I don't know why I'm really drawn to them. One is the Haunted Pumpkin palette. The Haunted Pumpkin palette. And I know that I'll put the picture up here. And the other is Christmas Morning. I think that is just, I don't think I own a true Christmas palette. I own the gingerbread palette. That might be considered Christmas palette. Yeah, it probably is. But this one has red and green. I know you can't see it. I'll put it over here. But yeah, Gimme Glow has some beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow palettes. They sell single pans, lip products, face products. Yeah, Gimme Glow. If they have that Christmas palette for next Christmas, which from what I understand, it wasn't a limited edition. It's in the actual, what's the word? I'm sorry, I never can find the words I'm trying to say, but I think they always have it in stock, or pretty much it's a product that they keep in stock. I guess I got that out right. Next is Menagerie Cosmetics. Oh, they have got the cutest palettes, and right now their new ones is called Paws and Claws. It's 2 9-pan palettes that you can buy together or you can buy separate, and they have kitties on them. Oh, it's just so cute. They just have beautiful shades. Yes, I said kitty. I wasn't calling you though. No. You better be lucky you're on a tripod and not on these tables, because I've got 2 tables set up with all the lighting and stuff, and a cat thinks he needs to go back and forth. Alright, so they have specialty eyeshadows, they have liquid lips, they have blush, they have highlights, but the makeup palettes is what, for me, I'm just addicted to makeup palettes, eyeshadow palettes. But it's just some beautiful, beautiful ones, and all their palettes are like animal themed. So that's really cool. I just think they're gorgeous. I have pictures up while I'm talking. So beautiful, beautiful. And then the last brand, yeah, is Kaleidos. And I don't know how I don't have any Kaleidos, and I just haven't. Let me go in and look at their, yes, their palettes. They have several eyeshadow palettes that I really like the Kaleidos Flower Punk palette. I like that one. I don't know why. That one speaks to me. But they also have some other palettes. They've got face products, lip products, yeah, and bundles and sets, and they've got lots of beautiful things, lots of beautiful items. So anyway, that is the 5 cosmetic brands that I would like to try at some point. And probably from all of those, it's eyeshadows that I really want to try, especially the Menagerie, the Gimme Glow, and the Kaleidos. Their eyeshadow palettes. Cleona is singles, and then Sigma, I really want to try some of their brushes. Sigma has brushes and I would like to try those out. So that's everything that I would like that's on my list. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Have you used any of these brands, and what's your favorite item if you have? And just let me know. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.